You think you're healthy because you eat clean and hit the gym twice a week? Nah, that's bare minimum survival mode. If you want to be dangerous, dialed in, and ready for anything, you need to go beyond basic. These aren't your mama's health tips. These are 7 savage health habits that real men are using to stay sharp, strong, and unstoppable. 1. Fasting. Skip the breakfast. Fast like a predator, not a pet. Intermittent fasting, or OMAD, resets your gut, sharpens your brain, burns fat like jet fuel. You don't need 6 meals a day, you need discipline. 2. Obstacle training. Forget fancy gyms, go primal. Sprints, ropes, cones, tires, crawling in the dirt. If it doesn't mimic real-life chaos, it's not preparing you. Train like life depends on it, because one day it might. 3. Cold showers and sauna fire. Want testosterone? Stand in cold water and don't flinch. Want recovery and mental armor? Sit in a sauna until your skin feels like it's screaming. Fire and ice. Shock the system. Reboot the man. 4. Tai Chi and controlled movement. You think slow is soft? Slow is power under control. Most men can lift fast but fall apart under pressure. Tai Chi teaches balance, breath, and absolute control over your body. Stillness is strength. 5. Forest walks and grounding. Take off your shoes. Touch the earth. Get off the phone. Most men are digitally addicted and spiritually fried. Grounding and silence rebuild what the world is stealing from you, your presence. 6. Penis health. Real health. If blood isn't flowing where it counts, you're not a man on fire. You're a man on life support. Eat beets, watermelon, pomegranate. Train your pelvic floor. Your stamina, energy, and confidence all start in the same place. 7. Sleep like a warrior. Don't chase hustle, chase recovery. Dark room, cold temp. No screens. Sleep is where testosterone is rebuilt, where muscles recover, where your mind rewires. Sleep is not weakness, and it's your weapon. You don't need another fitness plan. You need a code. These habits aren't easy. They weren't meant to be. But if you build them into your life, you'll walk taller, think clearer, and move like a man who's hard to kill. Choose 2 of these and do them for 30 days. And if you're still soft after that, maybe you were never built for this life.